Hey everyone, what we want to have a look at today is the LoadIt application by Sanity. What is the LoadIt application? So the LoadIt application is basically Microsoft's take on iTunes here in Australia, and it's a fully integrated music store in the Windows Media Player. Every Microsoft Windows user that has the Media Player installed will have a little LoadIt icon here on the upper right side of the Media Player by now. It automatically gets installed. I assume I'm using Windows Update. And once you click this, it installs the music store LoadIt by Sanity. So why are we looking at an application by Microsoft and not a Sitecore application? Well, this actually is a Sitecore application because the LoadIt store has been developed by one of our partners, Ubeetech, in Melbourne, and it's completely based on Sitecore. So everything that you see in here is based on Sitecore. And that shows that Sitecore is not only good for websites, but basically for all kinds of web-based applications, may they be websites or intranets or integrated applications like this. So let's have a look. What do we have here? We have basically a storefront with some teasers of new albums and so on. Down here we have the new released albums and also some fancy JavaScript to make the site nicer, bestseller albums and so on. Once we're interested in an album, for example this, we just click it and it automatically opens here in the media player. You see that it's really quick, and it also has the album cover art and so on. And it's that quick because the LoadIt application actually downloads the whole music catalog from Sanity and installs it on your system. And then it's accessed directly on your system, and the album cover is then pulled from the web. If we now want to listen to one of those songs without buying it, so we just want to check it out real quick, we just double click the song and it basically starts immediately. You probably can't hear it, but it already started, so it's basically instant. Then if you have an account, you can buy the song for $1.69, or you can have one of those music cap plans here where you can buy 300 songs each month for $29. Another nice feature is the integrated search. It is actually integrated here in the Windows Media Player up on the upper right corner, and when I search for example 50 Cent, it immediately searches through the LoadIt application and through my local library. So you can see here that I have two 50 Cent albums on my computer, and there are 16 50 Cent albums in the Sanity catalog here. When I click this, I can see those albums. Again, the album covers are pulled from the web, and if I want to have a look at one of those albums, for example, I don't know, 21 Questions, I click this album and it's automatically opened in the, I have to double click, it's automatically opened in the LoadIt application, so I get some extra information, release date and so on, and I have the songs down here and I can listen to them just in the way that we did it before. Alright, so that's it. Just wanted to show you this pretty cool application. I had a session with the developers last month, and it's based on a really heavily modified version of Sitecore that streams the songs from the streaming server directly and does all the presentation through Sitecore. So it's a pretty cool application. I just wanted to share that with you. Alright, great, thanks.